Come here, guys. Come here, Stormy. Come on. Hi. Here we are. This is Stormy. There in the front, and right behind Stormy is Spunkweed. And over to the side here, the little paint is Rudy. Rudy and Stormy are the parents of Sunny. And over here, to our left, is Trigger. Trigger is the cart pony. This little guy is the sweetest little thing you could ever get your hands on as far as pulling a cart. He's just the nicest little fellow there could ever be. Has lots of experience. Back on over this way, we can see here's some of the cows standing around here, waiting to get fed again. And right over here, looking, staring me down, is the bull. Yeah.